Alright, here's a little inspection underneath the Sienna. So I redid this exhaust gasket, stopped the leak. This shop hadn't put that donut in when they did it. And I redid these bolts and the gasket in there. There's the rattle. So you would think it's one of these buzzing, or the heat shield, or this, but it's not. It's almost like it's coming from inside the pipe. Can't tell what it is. It's not that. I might have to take off this Y pipe and look inside. Probably nothing in here. I already had that off before. But the internal is a catalytic converter. Might be buzzing.